Let's see how Microsoft Word 2019 can read to us our documents. So I've got a document that I've written, and I'm going to take a look and see how we can have this read to us by going to the View tab at the top and then clicking on Read Aloud. Now, if you want to go back to the original Edit document, just click on View, Edit Document. It takes you right back to where you were when you first double-clicked on the document. So let's go back to Read Aloud. And now we want to go up to where it says View and Read Aloud, and it will start reading immediately.
Share your content. Let's now move over to the Share tab and
now take a look at the top right where my cursor is, and this is where I can hit play
create a shared mailbox
and pause. So we can make a few other changes here. By the way, if you have more than one page, you can do backwards and forwards. It'll go back or forward to the previous or forward page. All right, so in this upper right-hand corner where it says Settings, watch what happens when I click play.
Shared mailboxes allow a group of users to view and send email from a common mailbox and share it.
So you can see I can speed it up or I can slow it down.
Calendar.
That's really slow.
This is almost...
So I'll put it right back in the middle again. And now there's a couple other things that we can change as well. We can change the voice to 3 different voices.
Like what a public folder used to be in previous versions of
Exchange but is now converted to be a mailbox. Click the plus sign and choose the mailbox
name and the users that will be able to have full or send as access, and pick the SMTP email address.
So I've got 3 different voices that we can do, and that makes those changes. Unfortunately, I don't see any way to get any additional voices, but you do have those 3. Now, the other thing we can do is we can stop by clicking this X at the top, and we see stop pops up when that happens. So now it's going back to just a read-only document. So if we want to make it go to the Edit document, once again, we click on View and then click Edit Document. And now we're back where we were. So that is a tutorial on how to use the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word 2019.